Okay, here's some tips and tricks on engine oil and gear oil changes for Vespa. We're looking at the oil drain plug here on my 2007 GTS 250. It's basically the same for all GTSs. And as you can see, in their infinite wisdom, Vespa put the drain plug facing outward, not facing down, which would have made life a hell of a lot easier. And as you can also see, the center stand is right in the way of where an oil drain pan would be. And when you see the videos online, you see guys with lifts and some other means sometimes of getting the center stand out of the way. But some of us don't have these big fancy lifts and have to do these jobs with the center stand. So as you can see here, it's hard to see, but I'm putting the oil drain pan in the area, and as you can see, it gets nowhere near where it needs to be to catch the oil from the drain plug and the oil filter to the right of the drain plug. So basically what we're going to do is to lift up the scooter to the left side and have a helper put the drain pan in such a way that the center stand is actually sitting inside it, like this. When you have this set up, the oil is going to drain right into the pan, whether you're talking about the drain plug or the oil filter. It's a lot neater job. You still need a helper to help you move the pan in and out, but at least now it doesn't get all over the place. Okay, gear oil change. Vespa, once again, in their infinite wisdom, put the drain plug for the gear oil on the assembly on the right side instead of on the bottom where it should be. But anyway, there's a lot of videos showing how to drain the oil out. My tip is for how to put the oil in. So this is a typical gear oil can, and on the videos I've seen online, you see guys filling the hole from the can using a syringe sometimes, or from the can directly, and then they're guessing how much goes in and putting the dipstick in and measuring, and sometimes it's underfilled and they have to keep going, and sometimes it's overfilled and they have to drain out. This is a common women's hair color bottle from CVS, Walgreens, any pharmacy near here. And they so happen to be 250 milliliters, which is exactly the amount that Vespa GTSs need in gear oil. You simply cut the top off of it, insert it in, and start squeezing. It's exactly the right amount that you need. And in a few seconds, this job gets done very neatly, very quickly, very efficiently. If you want to, you can recheck it with the dipstick, but honestly, there's no reason to, because it is the exact right amount that's necessary. So I hope these tips help new GTS owners find their way around these things. They're wonderful machines. They're just quirky in some ways. Safe riding.